Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. Today, we're diving into the word lunatic. So, what does lunatic really mean? A lunatic is someone who behaves in a crazy or wild way. It's an old-fashioned word often used to describe someone who is acting strangely or unusually. Here's the simple definition. A lunatic is a person who is considered mentally ill or very foolish. But be careful, this word can sound harsh, so it's best to use it in the right context. Now, let's explore some synonyms that can help you sound more natural and creative. Crazy, insane, wild, mad, deranged, maniac. Each synonym has a slightly different meaning. For example, wild is great when someone is energetic or unpredictable, while a deranged is a much stronger word used for serious mental illness. Using the right synonym will make your speaking and writing more exciting and clear. Want to sound smarter? Try using synonyms instead of repeating the word lunatic. For example, that idea sounds crazy, or he was acting mad. Thanks for joining us at Thesaurus Thrive. Hit the like button if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more word tips and tricks. Keep learning and keep thriving.